The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to be one of the most advanced foldable smartphones of 2026, focusing on improved durability, stronger performance, and better battery life while keeping the premium book-style folding design. The device is rumored to feature a large 8-inch dynamic AMOLED inner display and a 6.5-inch cover screen with high brightness and vibrant colors, making it ideal for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. Performance is expected to be powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor with up to 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte storage, delivering fast speeds and smooth multitasking. Camera improvements are also expected, potentially including a 200MP main camera and enhanced AI photography features, while battery capacity may increase to around 5,000 mAh with faster 45W charging, addressing one of the biggest complaints about previous models. In addition, Samsung is working on reducing the visible crease on the foldable display and may bring back S Pen support, making the phone more useful for productivity and note-taking. Release date. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is widely expected to launch in July 2026 during Samsung's Summer Galaxy Unpacked event, with availability likely starting a few weeks later. Quick expected highlights.